Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name is Syed. In this video we will learn what changed in SAP S/4HANA for end user. So SAP S/4HANA is a newer version of SAP ERP system, which is there are some technology changes, and there are some upgrades in the system wise, technically in database and in application as well. But for the user of end user, what are they gonna see? So let's take a look at the one example. The first thing, one of the major changes are in SAP S/4HANA for end user standpoint is customer master and vendor master transactions are replaced with the newer transaction, which is basically making these transactions obsolete. XD01, XD02, XD03 for customer, XK01 for vendor. So now what is the new change for that? It is business partner. Business partner is basically a concept of customer master which is embedded in. So what does that mean is, now we can have one business partner where they can have a different role for customer and different role for vendor. So technically speaking, so one business partner with two different functions of in it. So we can create business partner as an organization, group, or person, and then we can maintain customer and vendor within this business partner, or multiple roles. So it is basically role based master data, and within these roles we will have those similar customer master within it. So that is one of the changes. One more changes is SAP GUI on web. Basically it's a Fiori. So Fiori is a web based basically you can say as NetWeaver upgrade, where the user can access the tiles and this new design and with the newer functions of application of SAP ERP system as SAP S/4HANA. Fiori can be used in ECC as well, but basically it's launched and more offered with SAP S/4HANA, and this is considered one of the changes. So these are the few changes for SAP end user, major changes. There also are some changes in themes and some subtle changes, but those are not bigger changes. So my name is Syed, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, check out some of my books on Amazon and eBay. Thank you very much.